You guys just watched me try to kill Andy. Oh man.
Next time do a better job.
I'm sorry. Go Gadget roof. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of M4CE278. This is a 2004 Chevrolet SSR. Kind of starting to grow on me. This is a 4th or 5th one we've parted out now. I don't know. I'm getting older, or the car is getting better looking, but I kind of like this thing. Quick walk around here. Nice red. It does have some aftermarket parts. It's got a lip kit on it there. The wheels need some polishing. Headlights need a buffing. It does have a custom hood. It's got a prop rod. Well, yep, John did that. You guys just watched me bend a prop rod. All right, hold on. Use your head. Anyways, it does have a custom cowl hood on it here. It does have a little bit of fiberglass or Bondo damage over here. Hold on. Right there, because somebody riveted a, yeah. So you've got that to deal with here. Let's step inside, get the miles on this thing, and test some parts. You know, you just get into a car and it feels like something else. This thing just feels like a Trailblazer. Like, I don't know how to describe it. This car just feels like a Trailblazer. Oh, it needs a jump box. I was lied to. I was lied to. Where's the battery in this car? Just do it this way. Riveting content here. Local man uses a jump box. Although this was Grand Tour and I had an Amazon production budget, we could probably make this look interesting. All right, let's see if that does it. There we go. Get this out of the way here. Test video without a jump box. All right, let's test some parts. Get me off the screen. 151,457 miles. Wow. Okay. Trying to put the top up here. Oh, it's pinched. Hold on. I'm gonna have to set the camera down for a second. Can you give me an assist on the roof? I have no idea what you meant by help it. All right, Andy's here.
It should go up by itself. So it's hot over on this side.
Oh, all right, here.
Here.
Up.
There, try to get it.
Well, now it wants to go. Hold on. I gotta let the little... I got it. Time out.
My finger's pinched.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
shit. You good?
Yep.
You guys just watched me try to kill Andy. Oh man.
Next time, do a better job.
I'm sorry. That Go Gadget roof. All right. Now let's see if it goes down.
It will with assistance. Just doesn't align correctly after getting smacked.
Oh. You gotta close your door.
Oh.
I got you. Go Gadget roof. All right. Thank you, Andy.
No problem.
As you guys can see, everything works there. Let's get back to testing some parts. What goes up hopefully goes down when it's not pinched. Okay. Well, the driver's window's kind of pinched. We're just striking out hard here. Climate control has some wear, but it works. Ah, rat's nest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Transmission. Gears engage well. This LS2.
It's just a 5.3.
Oh,
This
that's
is an
oh
LM4.
5.4. Oh, LM4. Ooh. With trans.
Yeah, with trans.
All right. Well, that motor you guys just saw there will be sold as a swap. Motor, transmission, ECU, belt-driven accessories, and harness. All this very nice interior parts, minus some of this Chevrolet-esque stuff, but beautiful door panels, nice pair of seats.
Early 2000s GM.
Driver's bag is blown, so
Yes.
yeah. This will all be listed for sale individually on our website, www.jnjautorec.com, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. Good looking unit. All right, guys, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.